Office 2021 and Office LTSC, which stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel, are the two perpetual or standalone versions of Office. These two versions are almost identical in terms of features and functionality. The only difference is that Office 2021 is getting some of the collaboration features that previously were only for Microsoft or Office 365, the subscription product. In this course, we're focusing on the enterprise version, Office LTSC, though if you're using Office 2021, you can certainly follow along. The only exception is if you're a Microsoft or Office 365 user, in which we have a completely separate course for you. I do want to make sure you're watching the right course. Here's how to tell what version you're using. On the top left-hand side of the screen in Excel, click File, click Account all the way down at the bottom of the screen, and then in the middle of the screen, you can see what kind of version you're using. For example, this says Subscription Product, Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. Therefore, I would want to be watching the Microsoft or Office 365 version of Excel course that we have. If yours says Office 2021 or Office LTSC or Long-Term Servicing Channel, then you're in the right place. To get back to Excel, click the arrow on the top left-hand side of the screen.